Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of the OTC Suction Oil Gun, model 2359. OTC is not a sponsor. The suction gun is made for sucking out the fluid of your differential or transmission. It's got a pump on there. It comes with a length of hose. It's got a 16-ounce capacity and a 14-inch PVC hose. I put a longer hose on it. I put a 3/8 inch outside diameter with a 1/4 inch inside diameter hose on it. I don't know, this thing's about 5 inches long. I got it. Right there is your drain for the oil on the lawnmower. And Honda, although they have wonderful engineers and great building practices, this oil is designed to drain out of the engine and onto the deck of the mower and come out through a hole on the deck of the motor, which runs down around the cutting blade, or if it doesn't hit the cutting blade, it's just going to run out through there, and there's a little shroud in there where the oil runs out. And my thought was, why not just suck it out through the filler cap right here. So what I'm going to try to do is just suck out all the oil and get as much as I can. I notice this thing does come apart, so to make it easy to clean, or I guess replace the seal if you ever need to replace the seal. This is the hose it comes with, 5/8 inch diameter on the outside, 3/8 inch diameter on the inside. Clean off this hose really well. Before I stick it in, I don't want to contaminate the crankcase. Okay, I'm at the end of my pull, and I got enough oil to fill up this tube, and it's draining out, so I got to work fast. It's not pushing out. It didn't push out. I'm going to have to let it drain out by gravity. Slow process. That oil was filthy. This lawnmower was given to me. Previous owner said it was sitting around for about 5 years, and it wasn't starting. I had to rebuild the carburetor to get it going again. Okay, it took a couple of minutes for that oil to run out. Let's do another draw. That oil tank capacity is about 6/10 of a quart, a little more than half a quart, and it took me about 13 draws to get the oil out of there. So it could be a result of the long tube and the thin diameter. I'm sure this would probably work better with a shorter span of tubing and a larger diameter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this drain valve right here, see if any oil comes out. There's quite a bit stuck in there. It's going to be a mess. Holy cow. Exxon Valdez. Okay, got to get my spill cleanup going. Hey, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Look at this awful mess. Okay, so it's obvious this oil gun is not the solution for changing oil in a lawnmower. Just going to have to do it quick and dirty like I've always been doing it. However, that oil gun would be good for differentials and transmissions. I'm going to close this out right here. I got a mess to clean up. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell because it helps out my algorithms. From David GPO. Yeah, I actually have a second one of these lawnmowers. This is a different lawnmower, but it needs an oil change too. And I just got a brainstorm. Did you ever jack up your lawnmower on jack stands? Well, I got it up on jack stands. I got one on each wheel, and I got one in the center because the center of gravity is out of whack, so it's kind of leaning over on the top side. So I got a jack stand on the engine housing, and I'm going to take out this drain plug. It's going to be messy, but it won't be as bad as it was on the other mower. Yeah, this is much better. I'll just have the top of the mower deck to clean. I won't have a messy floor, and I won't have a messy underneath of the mower.